LG is celebrating 10 years of OLED technology, and this year they've come up with their best ever, the OLED M. Now what's different about this TV? It's wireless. There are no cables going into that TV behind me. It's all wirelessly transmitted. So the advantage of that is that aesthetically, the TV looks pure, looks clean. There's no cables running in and out. So whether you're mounting the TV on a wall or setting it up on an easel like it is behind me, it is a really clean look for this amazing new television. Okay, so how does it do it? With this. This is the Connect box that sends all of the signals, so all of your inputs, all your HDMI inputs, USB inputs, this is the Connect box that transmits to the television using its own bandwidth. There's a special algorithm built into this Connect box so it can detect the premium path to the TV. So even if people are walking in front of the TV or may have pets in the room, it'll renegotiate that path so you're ensured of having a great signal. Now there is a small antenna on the top of the box that you can actually move around, so you can improve the signal. This tilts around, I think, 180 degrees, so you can actually find the best signal path. So this is meant to be out in the open, not really to be put inside an entertainment unit or a cupboard, meant to be out in the open, but you can adjust the signal to make sure that you are getting 4K at 120 Hertz. Now this TV is available in 3 sizes, 77, 83, and this a huge 97-inch TV behind me. So expect to see this in market later this year.